Hello, my name is Kara. I'm a salesperson here at Blasius Chevrolet Cadillac, and today I'm going to show you a couple great features that the all-new 2019 Chevrolet Equinox has. I'm going to show you how to use your driver information center. On the right side of your steering wheel, you'll see these buttons. These are your voice command buttons, which I'll show you at a later time. And these buttons control your driver information center. Your driver information center is what you see in front of you while you're driving. Right now I have it set on your speed, your odometer, and how many miles till empty. But using these buttons, you can actually go to the menu and select whatever you'd like to see. You could put a timer on, you could see your average fuel economy, your fuel range, your oil life, your tire pressure. You can also have your music in front of you and change the stations. If you have navigation on, you can see the map in front of you. You can have your phone commands, so you can have, whoever you're talking to, you can have their number right up in front of you. Also, you could just do general settings. If you'd like to set a speed warning, or you'd like to know more about your software information. All these are right at the touch of a button, so you never have to take your eyes off the wheel, keeping you safe. So that's the Driver Information Center. See you next time.